Doors closing. Addison is next. Doors open on the left at Addison. Please keep your belongings off the seat next to you so others may sit down. This is Addison. This is a Blue Line train to O'Hare. Doors closing. Irving Park is next. Doors open on the left at Irving Park. Please be considerate when talking on your phone or listening to electronic devices so as not to disturb other customers. This is Irving Park. This is a Blue Line train to O'Hare. Doors closing. Montrose is next. Doors open on the left at Montrose. Connect to Metra, Mayfair Station at Montrose.
Next time, take the train!
is Montrose. Connect to Metro, Mayfair Station, at Montrose. This is a Blue Line train to O'Hare. Doors closing. Jefferson Park is next. Doors open on the left at Jefferson Park. Connect to Metro trains at Jefferson Park.
Kaya sila katagal din sa atin. No. Events ko. Natin ko ng Thursday. Hindi. Natin ko ng Friday morning. Sinundo ko ng Tuesday night. Hindi na. Kutsa talaga hindi pwede yung aso nila. Ako pa mag-aalaga. Alam mo yun? Tapos ito nga, medyo nainit. Hindi ba nainit? Pero gusto, kasi may friend sila na nandun. So parang gusto na rin nilang sabay na yun. Ngayon na kasi, abot namin yan. Nasabi ng dad, meron siya, sa May, ay sa March, gusto mag-Vegas ng daddy mo. Pwede ba mag-alas? Yeah, that's fine, but hindi ako pwede na ito. Kasi wala ako. Na parang hindi naman pwede, wala ako kung pwede sa wala ako. Babalik ng Monday or Friday, Tuesday. Kasi sabi, bakit the option ng Thursday is like that na mami ko, this is the 13th. Like, okay. Yeah. It wasn't Friday the 13th, it was Thursday the 13th, but this is one of the, like, no flying on the 13th.
This is Jefferson Park.
Okay. Where's that?
Connect to Metro trains at Jefferson Park. This is a Blue Line train to O'Hare.
It's a busy Wednesday. Meron kasi kaming Wednesdays na may Girls Help. So, just
Finger stash.
Doors closing.
Alright.
tapos Friday. Para bang, well, kaya, basta kailangan mo kami
Harlem
i-attend,
is
so
next.
it has to be
Doors open on the left at Harlem.
when you can do it. Alam, ako pa yung, like, you know, it's hindi, passive-aggressive yun na para bang, it's up to you, pero di ba gusto na, parang, just tell me, or di ba, so, yung Wednesday, talagang, mahirap ba? So parang ako, ba't ko naman ka lang, I'm taking to the airport, tapos parang si Atos, and in fact, it wasn't good for me too. Because kung may Girl Scout for Christmas in Hana, we were going to be selling the weekend. And I'm so happy na so sweet. Pero hindi siya convenient na hindi yan, but pwede na alam mo pag maganda. No weekend na. Like, not this Saturday, yung next Saturday. Gusto ko matagal na yun. Kasi March na, hindi na gusto ko lang. March 31 na yun. The people are here for 6 months, so it's not like... Or baka naman din na, but if you really were to pick a date that works for me, you would have asked me for this before. Not given me choices. Now, what's the lesser of both evils? Parang ganun. Like, kung talagang kinonsider nyo yung convenience sa akin, punta kami doon ng March. Kailan ko yun? Because I would have said yun. Kasi hindi ko alam kung yung magbibenta ng Girl Scout. Wala ako this weekend. Next week, maganda nga ako kasi okay, parang
Maybe it's this bumpy because we're in the
So,
last car of
they have
the
a dog
train.
in there. So, wala ko ba? So, either... Isa sa bahay namin.
Therefore, we're taking the brunt of
Isa sa bahay namin. Or...
the lateral back and forth motion.
Dito ka na ako. Mas safe. Kasi mas na yung ano eh. Medyo nagkakala. Eh, kasi kung ako yung meron sa ano, ikaw wala. Ayan na. Then, Saturday, that's, you know what I did? Friday was still there to watch the dogs. But Saturday, I drove back to sa area. Just my birthday party. I went back Saturday night. Hindi ko pa balik na. Hindi. Oo. Ako. Ay, makatulog naman. Wala sa tulog. Oo. Kasi he can, well, meron na rin siyang whatever. Yeah. Okay, ikaw. Oo. At saka si Hannah, siya Simba. Kasi, medyo ano ba kanina? Hindi nga ako kasi Simba, nahirapan ko siya naiwan ako. I don't know, yun an answer. I asked kung kasama ba si Simba. Tapos,
This is Harley.
sinakay na si Simba sa kotse. Parang, Simba, let's go, let's go. So, we take Simba out of the car and iiyak na siya.
Doors closing.
Ayoko nang gawin sa kanya na yun. Tuloy. Kahit sabihin mo. So, tapos,
Cumberland is next.
yung Sunday.
Doors open on the left at Cumberland.
As late as we can. Para pagdating tutulog na lang. Yung mga ganun. Parang, hindi kasi, may ikikintindi pa ng aso. You know what I'm saying? Parang, yung dalawang araw kang matutulog sila, hectic na sa akin. Kasi, so, I made it as a madrug lang siya. They're gonna move it, or she's gonna be, kasi sa kasi hindi na siya natira. So, if you're gonna do it in this room on tile floor, it's easy for me to clean.
Sorry.
Versus yung, kunwari, free range sa bahay, hanapin ko pa sa tapos pag hindi ko nahanap, aamoy na. Di ba? So, kinontain ko na lang. Tapos syempre, na-contain na rin sa sink. Kasi alam mo, magkakano sila yung, they're on the other side of the door. So, pero parang, I always want to accommodate watching their dog. Because I asked them. So, parang, bakit ka na? Wait ako dito. Kasi pa, tsaka, yun na yung dad. Kaya ako magmamalta. Understood na nasa kanya for 2 weeks. Diba? Kasi hindi naman niya, hindi never pa naman nangyari sa amin na 2 weeks na silang wala, pero ako nag-alaga na. Pag gano'n ka talaga yung anes, lahat kami wala. Like, usually it's a family vacation to the Philippines. So, hindi ako yung nag-alaga. Pero yung kami, nangyayari sa akin. They end up watching for like, areas. Or, marunong siya mag-doggy door. Marunong din siya like, hindi siya ganun siya. Ang pinaka-masama niya ng lagi is, kumulitin niyo yung isa, tapos kumulo sila. Kasi si Simba playful pa siya si Derek. So, parang lang silang may pusa sa bahay. Like, I just, napagano si Simba, kukulitin niya, tapos takumuto ko sila. Lamig ko. Yun yung ano, parang madidisrupt yung routine nila na basta may aso niya na nakaupo versus may asong tumakot. Or biglang takot sila. Kasi kulit na rin, ibang takot lang. Yan ang mga dalawa na yung aso. Pero like, he's walking himself anyway, isasama lang. Kasi hindi siya extra na, wala kang aso ngayon, you have to walk my dog twice a week. Or twice a day. Walang ganun. Hindi siya ganun ka. It's not much of an inconvenience, I don't think. Or, I guess meron din pala siyang edge na yun. Kasi sa Simba, kasi dati ka natutulog sa living room. Hindi siya sa mga kwartos. Sa Simba, wherever he wants. Di ba pag natulog, natutulog sa'yo. So, minsan, gusto niyang Like, yun, I guess yun, ang annoying phase. But I'm pretty sure they don't care. They just close the door, let him do whatever he wants, and then eventually titigil na ba? Hindi yung kagaya ko na, when we sleep. Minsan, kinukumpulali ko sa tapos, kami ang nababagay.
This is Cumberland.
Para gusto niyo po